Hi, I'm Spazz and today I'm going to make 2 snow globes. Now I'm going to make a toy snowman one, but you can use any toy you like. I've got an old photo of the family and I've laminated it. And this is going to go in my snow globe. Need a glue gun, nail varnish, jar, some models, another jar, a knife, modelling clay, some glitter, and some baby oil. Now let's get started. So first I'm going to use my snowman. So I need to get my clay and I need to put it on that side of the lid. Now I've done that, and now I need to dip it out and glue it. How do I take this out? How do I take this out?
A few moments later.
So now I've rounded it, and I've flattened the top a little bit, so it's now will fit on like that. And now I need to glue it. So I'm gluing it on, and there needs to be a big block in there. So now I need to get my clay and press it down. So now I'm going to slip my snowman on. What glitter shall I use? I think because it's snowing, I'm going to use silver and white. Now before I put the glitter in, I need to put some baby oil in, up to there. So now I've used my whole bottle of baby oil. And now I'm going to put the glitter in. Not much is coming out.
5 minutes later.
Now I'm going to put the silver in. Now it's ready for my snowman. Now I'm going to put some nail varnish on the modelling clay. And this is clear nail varnish. And this protects it from the baby oil. The modelling clay will go more white when it's set. So now I've got my snowman, it's all set and it's ready to go on. But before that, I need to put some glue around the edge to seal it. Uh-oh, it's one on the outside. Trickled all over the outside. It's yonking me.
moments later.
So now, it's a big moment. Uh-oh, it's falling off, look. It's leaking. Oh, it's leaking. Leaking now.
1 week later.
So last week was a disaster. So what I did was, I waited for the modelling clay to dry. And then I stuck my snowman on with super glue. I had my dad help me to stick this on. So now I'm going to finish the snow globe off. And I'm going to turn this over. Screw it on tightly. And now I'm going to flip it over and show it. Isn't it great? Now let's move on to my next logo. Like last time, I got my modelling clay and I waited for it to dry. And then I stuck it on my lid. And then I got my laminated picture and stuck it on the modelling clay. Now I'm going to put some baby oil in up to the rim. And now I'm going to put the glitter in. This time I'm going to choose blue and gold. And now the gold. Now I'm going to put the top on.
Eventually.
So that's my snow globe done. See you next time, guys. Bye.